Hi! In front of me is MEDIATEK KT107 and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard theme on this device. Start by accessing settings and scrolling all the way down. Now you need to tap on languages and input, virtual keyboard and Android keyboard. After that, go into appearance and layouts, click on theme and tap on one of the available ones. I will go with that one, so now when I go back, I can see the theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!